folks, Casey here.
John, we're currently in our brewery.
This is our new canning line. So, pretty small footprint, but that allows us to be able to move this thing around. We can park it in front of some of the different bright things we have. We're gonna start off canning 12-ounce cans. These are just blank cans of print directly on the can. We're going to start off with 12-ounce cans with the core beers. We're going to start canning Undaunted in our harvester, and from there we're going to hope to expand to canning everything, really, as many things as we can. And with that will hopefully be 16-ounce cans, potentially even larger cans than that.
Yeah, a lot of the smaller stuff will be all of our core beers. So our Harvester, our Enlighten, our Undaunted, all the ones that you know and love. But our 16-ounce cans we want to do for more specialty one-off stuff. So right now on tap we have our Cloud to Cloud and our Smoke on the Maumee. Those might not be coming around for a while or ever again. But the thought is we'll do 16-ounce cans of those and have them only here in-house. So you got to come into the brewery to get those cans and enjoy the products. It's a one little fun way of saying, hey, come on in and try our stuff, and while you're here you can get more stuff to go home.
So over here, this is our conveyor for our cans. So we'll, fill this thing up, make sure this thing's full at all times. It goes from here, works itself down. It'll come through here onto this device, which will take the can and it flips it, rinses it, flips it back over, and starts to send them down the line.
Flips all the way down, it's held in place, and then there's a little rinse nozzle down here that will spray it while a new can goes on the top. It'll then flip back once it's rinsed, and then it will get forced down the conveyor belt onto here. And then once there are two cans that are properly positioned underneath these fill nozzles, it will get filled. And how it knows that there's cans there is these little two sensors right here. These are metal sensors. They detect the metal can. And when it detects them, it knows both of these places are filled with the can. This, which will be up, will then come down on top of the cans and then fill them both with whatever beer we have in our line. Once it's filled, we continue along the process, moving along down. This is where the lids come down. So right now it's empty. There's no lids in it, other than one or two that are left over from our last cycle. They'll go on the top. They'll come through all the way into here, and that's where it's sealed. All the little pistons are run by air, so it's compressed air that we use to push all the little bells and whistles on this machine. So it's pretty cool, and it can be a little, get a little loud because of all the air that's pressured, but it works really well.
Yeah.
All right. Here is our brand new, freshly carbonated pumpkin stout. It's a little hard coming out of that sample port, but nonetheless, it still is delicious.
Coming in at 7%, about 39, almost 40 IBUs. Mm-hmm. It's got a good, it smells great.
It smells awesome. Notes of pumpkin for sure.
Vanilla.
Some nutmeg.
Good spice.
Little ginger.
Nice, good mouthfeel, soft, creamy.
Yeah.
I think you guys will really like this. Is there an actual name for it? I don't know that
I
yet.
believe the name is going to be Hollowed Harvest.
That was the original thought, but we thought it was going to come out sooner. So
we're not sure yet, but that's what we're doing right now with Hollowed Harvest. If that changes, we'll change it. But that was the original thought.
Well, like we said, we're going to be starting off with 12-ounce cans. We got Harvester and Undaunted. Actually, those cans just got approved, going into production next week. We're expecting those in the next month, 5 weeks. So hopefully here in the next month and a half, we're going to start having cans to push out to you guys.
Yeah, keep a lookout for us in our liquor stores in nearby areas, because you'll have fresh batches of two of our best core beers we have. So we're excited to bring it to you, and we know you're excited to try it.
And the cool thing about the cans is they're going to be printed directly onto the can. So
yeah, you can't tear off the labels anymore. Stop tearing off our labels. We like them on there for a reason.